Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an In My World workbook. So In My World is a book where you move the pages and you can see all of the different shapes and you reveal new shapes underneath. For example, here we have a bug, and what is it doing? It's creeping bugs. So this is a wiggling, and then we turn the page, worms, and the leaping, we can see the shape of the frog, and turn the page, frogs. So when we're making this workbook with our students, we kind of want them to think about the different shapes they can make, and it's their choice. But for fun, we can make the front cover as In My World, and they can trace their hand on it. So the easiest way to make all of these pages is to take a piece of paper, and for young students, we can kind of fold it in half. And then, for example, if I want to make the hand page, I would trace my hand, and then the teacher can help by cutting a little bit in the middle and helping students to kind of make an opening to cut like this. Or some of the shapes are much easier. So for example, here we have a heart. So when we cut the page in half, we can see it's very easy to cut the heart shape from the side, and this is going to be a lot nicer. These shapes are kind of more difficult, so maybe teacher kind of needs to help, but again, the students can pick their own shapes. So students can choose, and teacher can encourage the students to pick very easy things like heart, or here we're going to cut a leaf or a tree. Like, you can see this shape. So as we're cutting, you can help students by helping them to draw the idea if they don't have any, or that's a little more difficult to draw, but we want the students to kind of pick easier things. So also, for example, let's draw a bunny with the circle, and here's the ears. So then students can cut from the middle. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And again, depending on time, teacher can help clean up the lines. And now we open it up. Ta-da! Bunny! And after we finish cutting all of the shapes, we can staple it together. We can also go over what ideas we want. So, for example, we have the rabbit, the bunny, and we can put jumping. Turn the page. What is it? It's a rabbit. So if we look at the example, what is it? It's stepping. It's a stepping paw. It's a growing carrot, falling leaves. And then in the back of the book, we can also write the different words that we've chosen. When you're lining up the pages, you kind of want to think about and change around how they go on top of each other so that the new shape isn't revealed yet until you turn the page. So for example, the bunny is the very large one, so we want to put under the hand because it's kind of harder to see what the shape of the bunny is underneath. And ta-da! That's it, our In My World book. Thank you.